In this video, we're diving straight into one of the coolest new Sculpt mode features in Blender 5.2. First, let's add a sphere. Next, we'll add a plane and place it close, right in front of the sphere. Make sure to subdivide the plane based on your preference, then adjust it to an appropriate size. Now let's switch to Sculpt mode. At the bottom toolbar where the brushes are located, simply select the Scene Project brush. Go ahead and adjust the brush size and strength to your liking. Next, let's brush the plane toward the sphere. Oops, we forgot to select the plane mesh. The sphere was still selected. All right, now that the plane is selected, let's brush it toward the sphere, and you'll see it instantly snap. Let's smooth out the plane first so it looks much better. Now, as you can see, our plane conformed nicely, but there are a few parts clipping through into the sphere. To fix that, we just need to adjust the minimum distance setting to 0.06. Here's another example. The more subdivisions your mesh has, the more detailed the projection will be. And that's how easy it is to use the Scene Project brush in Blender 5.2. If you found this quick tip helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy sculpting!